How to delete Gmail search history. If you want to delete your Gmail search history in a browser, this video will show you how to clear it completely. First, open Gmail in your web browser and click the Google account profile icon in the top right corner. Now, select Manage your Google account. From here, click on Data and Privacy and find My Activity. Click on My Activity, then select Other Activity to find your Google Workspace search history. Scroll down until you find Google Workspace Search History, which includes searches from services like Gmail and Google Drive. Click on Manage Google Workspace Search History. Here, you can choose to delete individual searches or remove your search history for a specific time period. To delete everything, select Delete, choose All Time, review the activity, and confirm the deletion. Once the deletion is complete, your previous Gmail search history will no longer appear in your search suggestions. That's how you can delete Gmail search history from your Google account. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.